Hey there, fellow website enthusiasts! Ever visited a site, clicked on something, and bam, a pop-up appears? You probably thought, oh no, not another annoying pop-up. But what if I told you that pop-ups can actually be a superpower for your website? Introducing Popup Maker! Hey, my name is Jazz, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. So, what is Popup Maker? Well, it's an easy-to-use tool that lets you create stylish, customizable pop-ups for your website. And we're not just talking about those enter your email or else kind of pop-ups. Oh no, Popup Maker can do so much more. Want to boost your mailing list? Offer discounts? Show a fun message when someone's about to leave? Popup Maker has you covered. Why should you care? Well, pop-ups are proven to increase engagement and convert visitors into action takers. And with Popup Maker, you have total control. Design pop-ups that fit your brand, control when they appear, and target the right audience, like a pop-up ninja. No sneaky pop-ups here, just ones that work for you and your audience. You don't need to be a coding wizard to use it. With Popup Maker, everything is drag and drop, point and click simplicity. Need something advanced? It's powerful enough to handle custom HTML, CSS, and even conditional logic for the tech-savvy folks out there. So, whether you're running a blog, an online store, or just want to level up your website, Popup Maker is the tool that'll turn casual visitors into loyal fans. Don't just settle for visitors, engage them. Speaking of which, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, no pop-up required.